Film producer Madhu Mantena has now reached the Narcotics Bureau. He was summoned for questioning over the drug link possibly. Now, Jaya Saha, remember, who's been a talent manager for Sushant Singh Rajput, according to the Narcotics Bureau, has given a statement of admission that she did buy some drugs and it was for this producer Madhu Mantena. There is a drug chart from 22nd June this year accessed by India Today showing that the producer sought weed from Jaya Saha and she has replied she will be sending some over to him. Remember, these are summons being sent because the names have surfaced in chats. But for further details, let's go across to Mustafa Sheikh. He's at the Narcotics Bureau. Mustafa, why possibly would this producer be called? Because yes, he was mentioned in a chat, but is there anything more? Or is the Narcotics Bureau wanting to just focus about the chain trail?
Well, Pooja, it's a big development that Madhu Mantena has been called by the Narcotics Control Bureau and he has reached to record his questioning, his statement. He has been a big-time producer in Bollywood and he is also one of the co-owners of Quant, which is a talent management agency firm. Now the Narcotics Control Bureau will clone his phone, will look out for the chat between him and other Bollywood celebrities, which suggests that there is some connection of narcotics because Quant is, very seriously involved in supplying narcotics to the Bollywood celebrities, at least till what the investigation has shown us. And basically, it's a moral responsibility of the owners of Quant, but also whether they were involved, whether there were instructions, whether they were aware that Jaya Saha and other colleagues of theirs were engaging in such supply of narcotics to Bollywood celebrities. All these big questions can be only answered by the owners of Quant, and hence Madhu Mantena has been called at NCB. Back to you.
All right, and Mustafa Sheikh will be telling us all the latest as and when that questioning does get over. Thank you so much, Mustafa, for all the latest. Also, let's go across to Arvind Oja. Arvind, you have been telling us that new names are going to crop up. कल कुछ एक्टर्स का नाम आता है, आज एक प्रोड्यूसर को बुलाया जाता है. तो क्या हम मान के चले अरविंद कि हर चैट जो आएगी, अगर वो एक सिंगल चैट भी हो, उस पे समन्स पहुंचाया जा सकता है? इस हिसाब से तो काफी नाम सामने आने वाले हैं फिर.
देखिए पूजा, मैं सबसे पहले आपको बड़ी न्यूज ब्रेक इंडिया टुडे पर देता हूं. अब से कुछ देर पहले ये हमने न्यूज ब्रेक दिया है. मधु मंटीना वर्मा जो अभी नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो पहुंचे हैं, वो बॉलीवुड के उड़ता पंजाब फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर में से एक हैं और उनका चैट जया साह के साथ मिला है. बहुत रिसेंट चैट है पूजा. ये 22 जून का चैट है जिसमें मधु मंटीना वर्मा भी जया साह से ड्रग्स की डिमांड कर रहे थे, वीड की डिमांड कर रहे थे और जया साह वो बकायदा उनको एश्योरेंस दे रही थी कि वो वीड पहुंचा देंगी. तो इसी आधार पर मधु मंटीना वर्मा को नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने एनसीबी के ऑफिस बुलाया है 11 बजे के लगभग. अब फिलहाल इनसे पूछताछ होगी. उसके बाद 2 बजे जया शाह को बुलाया गया है. उसके बाद जया शाह और मधु मंटीना वर्मा को कन्फ्रंट किया जाएगा आमने सामने बुलाकर. तो ये अभी की सबसे बड़ी चौंकाने वाली ये खबर है क्योंकि वो प्रोड्यूसर जो पंजाब के ड्रग्स पर फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे, उड़ता पंजाब, वो खुद ही ड्रग्स मांग रहे थे. 22 जून का ये जया शाह के साथ ड्रग्स चैट है जो नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो को मिला है और इसी आधार पर उनको पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया गया है.
Very interesting. Urta Punjab, remember, focused on drug addiction, especially in the state of Punjab. He was a producer of that film, according to Arvind. Arvind, keep tracking all the latest. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.